All right, boys, so it's November 30th. It's 9:20 now, but it's prime time to be hunting the mountains, and for rut and bucks. So, every year there's one consistent factor that plays into these big bucks. So, it rained last night, end of November. The temperatures are warm. It's dang near 60 degrees. But these big bucks have to get on their feet after it rains. That's the only patternable variable that comes into play with these deers, because these are different kind of animals. And this ain't no 150-inch buck, but that's if you pass these in the mountains, you're a better man than I'll ever be. But we come in here, got set up in a gap, and at 8:30, the first deer I seen just on his feet. It's misty, nasty, but yeah, we got it done on November 30th. Every single year, the same time, we kill consistently good bucks mornings after it rains. So, it's a Wednesday. Not everybody can hunt on Wednesdays. I'm fortunate, but we got it done. I'm plumb tickled. We've had a long deer season. We've hunted Missouri, we've hunted Kentucky. Dad lost a big buck. I've lost a big buck. And we've killed a couple good bucks, but it's tough. It's a grind, but we got it done this morning on public land in the North Georgia mountains.